Okay. Then you need to do one thing. You need
Mhm.
to, 1 second, I'll share my screen and then after that I'll explain. You're
Mhm.
able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now see, you're able to see
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
pin to taskbar or pin
Okay.
to start.
Okay. Pen to taskbar. Okay. Okay.
You can check and you can install to.
Okay. To the taskbar, right? Okay.
Yes, right.
Okay. All right. Let me.
In the initial installation process itself, it will ask you want to see me as a desktop icon or
Okay.
not.
Okay. Okay. Let me do it.
And I hope over there. So everyone joined who are there in this batch.
No, I think just us three. I think I think Nikita is there.
Yes. One second. Out there. So Reshma and Nikita. Uh, you remembered yesterday also you two only joined?
Yeah.
Okay, right. And right. Okay. Now, today we're going to start from the Excel itself. Is it fine
Yeah.
for both of you?
Yes.
Or
Yes.
anyone are pretty well and confident about Excel?
Yeah.
Can we go with Excel?
Yes. Sure, sir.
Okay,
Sir.
sure.
Yeah.
Okay. You know, what is the maximum limit of Excel?
Mm,
It's a 1 million rows.
1 million rules. Yeah.
1 million rows.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but don't think about the columns. Just people will ask about how many records we can able to store in an Excel file.
Sure.
So
Okay.
it's a 1 million,
Mm-hmm.
10 lakhs. Okay, just see now. This is a row. Each and everything which you are able to see it here are
Row.
rows. Rows. All are rows. I mean to say like if I want to mention clearly. See, so this entire thing is a one row.
Mm-hmm.
This is the second row. This is the third row. This is the fourth row. Fifth row. These are rows. This is a column. Entire is a one column. Entire B a vertical a column. C is a column. Okay. The point where rows and columns are intersecting is called as a cell.
Okay.
Cell. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And this
Yes.
cell is represented with column and as well as row. The naming convention is like, for example, what is this location? A4. The
Yeah.
cell address is A4.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Rows. Okay. Columns. And this is a cell. Okay. This is a cell.
Mm-hmm.
Now, If I want to create a table in an Excel, you no need to worry about it. We have a lot of uh, pre-available options will be there. And before that, before that, you need to remember one thing. Whenever you are entering any data into this particular cells, you need to remember if the default length, height, and width are exceeding, it automatically will flow to next cells. It means it is not available at there. It is not available at here. It is not available at here.
Mm-hmm.
It is only available at here. Just you can identify this with help of this particular editing bar or formula bar, you can say.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And you're able to see previously I asked you to write address of the cell. If you place your mouse at here and selected the cell, you're able to see the address of that particular one, name box.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So this the I3, right? Where we have
O,
written like the long
O3,
one.
O,
So,
O3, O3, O13, not O3, O13. This is the
okay, yeah,
O13.
O13, yeah. So the O13 that is extended to the next rows, right? So like what if we want to select like J, like the J's column, and for row, if we want to write something, we can input the data in that the other cell or no?
Yes, we can definitely insert. We
Oh,
can
okay, okay.
definitely insert the data. But the thing is, it will be looking like this.
Okay, but it is only stored in
In this
only that
particular,
one.
yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay,
right. It is stored in only this particular cell, but
I
it will
see.
extend it to the next cells.
Okay, okay, yeah, okay, I got it.
Okay. If you want to do
Mhm.
some adjustments now, you need
Right.
to just click on this cell and go to
Uh-huh.
that particular right side limit of
Mm-hmm.
this column and
Okay.
double click it here.
Oh,
It
okay,
will
okay, I see.
defaultly automatically it will
Okay, it will
adjust.
automatically adjust how much stored data
Yes,
we have in
right,
there. Okay.
right. So okay, and we can able to fix this thing along with another thing also.
Mm-hmm.
If you're able to observe, wrap the text.
Wrap text. Okay, I see.
So now it doesn't expand in a
Mm-hmm.
width. It will
Yeah,
expand in a form of height.
lengthwise, height-wise. Okay, yeah.
Okay. If you
Yeah.
want to redo the undo that operations, just you need to use Control Z or this particular one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Just I'll show you. Now I performed this thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're able to see my left hand side one arrow
Yes, yes. Yeah, on the yeah, undo, yeah.
undo the operation.
Uh-huh.
Like that, you have uh, I'm saying to you,
Mm-hmm.
you all are opened right in your Excel.
Yes.
Okay, right. Now it's like a interactive session, right? So I'll ask you, you need to do some exercises related to it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. First, try to enter different texts in one specific column, whichever you want, and change that particular text to different fonts and different sizes. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And fill those cells with the different colors
Okay.
and align those texts at a different locations in the cells. Okay. I'm telling you what you need to check. For fonts, you need to look at here. For sizes, you need to look at here. For colors, backgrounds, you need to look at here. For colors to the text, you need to look at here. For alignments, you need to look at here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So what
Come on.
we do right now?
You need to create 10 cells.
Yeah.
Each and every cell contains some different text.
Okay.
In each and every cell contains different type of font, different type of color, different type of font size
Okay.
and alignment. One is right corner, one is left corner, one is center, one is up down, one is left right, left down, right up, like that. Come on, it will take just 2 or 3 minutes. That's it. You're doing right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Once it is done, please let me know.
You said 3 or 4, right?
Sorry, what it is you're asking?
3 or 4 cells total, right?
You can create 5 sentences in 5 different cells.
Or 5 sentences. Okay.
Yes, 5 texts. Yes.
Okay. Okay, I tried the like the wrap text too for a sentence, and like I like different. Mm,
Yours is completed.
yes, like I have aligned like I used the wrap text for one of them, and then and I also colored like the cell, the columns, and that's what you're saying. I did that. I'm just doing the last one. 1 second. Mhm.
Okay. Now
Okay,
you are
done.
able to align in 6 locations.
Yes. 3, 4, 5. 5 I
Middle,
did.
5 locations or 6 locations.
5. 5 I did.
Okay. And what are the different fonts you tried?
Okay.
Any alien fonts you tried, or all are understandable?
One I did like the agent CFP.
Mm-hmm.
Then other is AR Blanca.
Mm-hmm.
And then the third one is Calibri.
Okay.
The fourth is AHARONIRONE.
Okay.
And the fifth is again Calibri.
Okay.
And then I have different, like the first one, which I did, the agency FB, I used the 22 font, the
Mm-hmm.
size,
Okay.
and the color is green for the, the cell.
Okay. That's fine. So you're comfortable, right? Where you need to
Yes,
change
yes.
the color,
Yeah,
where you
yeah,
need to
yeah.
change the font, where
Yes,
you
this
need to change
got
the
that.
color for the background as well as the text,
Text.
Text. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
right? And how
Mhm.
you need to align this particular text.
Yes, yeah, I'm comfortable with that. Yeah.
Okay. For example, here I'm showing. So if that particular cell is at here
Mhm.
and at this position, for example, just you see, this is at here, lower down, top,
Yeah,
middle,
yeah.
total middle,
Mm.
left, bottom.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Okay, you got it right. And
Yes.
wrap the text and
Yeah.
merge and center. So, someone have some questions?
So can you show the alignment part once again, like
Oh,
6 different locations? I could
okay,
get
sure.
to
Five,
see.
five.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
see. So this is the one location. Write down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you can see
Yeah.
middle, two,
Middle.
three,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Four,
5.
five.
Um,
Okay, once again you can observe. See this one. Only one is selected. It is
mhm.
at which place it is?
Left.
Left top,
Left
right?
top. Right. Yes.
This is
Left side.
it's a middle,
Middle.
only middle
Yeah.
aligned to the left side.
Yeah. Right.
This is
Align to
I'm
yeah.
using only one
Yeah.
left down.
Left down. Yeah.
This is
Same only, no? Like the previous one and this one.
see this one
Yeah.
and write down. First three are only individual conditions.
Mhm.
Okay, see, just see. This is a one,
Yeah.
this is a two,
Yeah.
this is a three.
Yeah.
Okay, now this is the middle one, central middle, exactly, and left side middle,
Mhm.
right side middle.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
and total how many completed, right?
Yeah.
Total all are completed, right?
Yeah.
One
But
second.
if I want to align it to right and on right side
So,
and top
eh,
corner,
okay, just see. Left top and left middle
right?
and left down.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is
Left center. No, it's center only. Yeah. Center.
exact middle or exact center you can call.
Yes.
Okay, and
Yes. That's right. Middle.
middle right,
Yeah.
Total how many?
5.
5, right?
Right.
Left top, left middle, left down,
Mm.
exact center, and middle right, and right down. See this one. Total how many?
6 now.
Right?
Right.
Serial number and type of alignment. Okay. So now I inserted one number and I am dragging this particular series down to the entire my data. So then
Mm-hmm.
what I need to do, you need to select this particular cell and
Mm.
move your cursor to the corner of any of the corner, right side down corner, and you
Yeah.
need to drag it down. Okay. Then you're able to see one option. You need to click on the drop down at here. Copy cells, fill series, fill formatting only, fill without formatting,
Mm.
flash fill.
Mm.
Okay, we'll see what are those options. Copy cells means in the first cell, what is the data is there, it will only copy in the entire drag, entire series. Okay,
Mhm.
just see. So this is I applied for copy cell. Okay, just see. I'll show you one at here, and I am applying the same thing at here. So now this is just a copy cell.
Mm.
Okay, right. I want to see this entire data in middle.
Mm.
Okay, now this is fill series. What is the series? It will fill that particular series.
Okay.
It will increase it by 1. Yeah.
Yes. You don't need to give each and every number when you are reporting or when you are doing any data or when you are collecting any data.
Right. Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
Fill series. So now, and this is one. Okay. Just see. I'm using the third. Fill formatting only. What's happening?
It's removing the duplicate data. Or like, no.
Okay.
Mm.
Removing the duplicate data? No.
No.
What is the meaning of format?
In one pattern or something like.
Yeah.
Um, mhm. Okay. For example, just see. Now, so if you click on this particular cell, okay,
Mm.
and if you right click, you are able to see the format cells.
Mm-hmm.
Format.
Yeah.
Okay, if you click on that, this particular dialog box will be open. General, number, current, accounting, date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, text, special, and custom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is in a general category. It's a general number.
Okay.
Okay, now
Okay.
what I'm doing, just see. Now I'm converting this cell into a different format, and that is a time. Okay, in this particular specific format. Now what it will happen? One,
Okay.
if I enter,
Time.
it will defaultly take it as a time. Okay,
Oh, okay. Okay.
and I'm selecting another cell and I am going to the date. Okay, especially month and year. Okay,
Mm.
if I'm entering 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the date, right? Now
Mhm.
just see. Okay, just see what happened at here. Uh, Sorry, fill format.
Mm.
Shit, con operation con. 1, and here. Okay, right. Formatting happened. Once again, I need to create format and currency. I'll create okay. And this is I'm converting into date, month, year, and this is okay. Now this is converting into another format, text. Okay. Now you see what it will do. Fill format.
Mm.
I'm taking one corner and I'm dragging it. Okay. And
Mm.
I'm choosing fill formatting only. Fill formatting only.
Mm.
What it did?
Um,
What it did? It
mhm.
converted remaining cells also into the initial cell format.
Okay.
Okay. You
Mhm.
understand what
Yeah.
happened?
So can you repeat it one more time?
Okay. Previously, what is its format? Its format is date, right?
Yeah.
We
Date, yes.
selected as a date,
Yes.
right? This is a date format, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, if we apply fill formatting, what happened? All the formats are combinedly converting as a initial one.
Initial one.
Yes.
Initial one is a number format. All the remaining cells also will be like a number format.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is
Yes.
it clear? Now, I'll show you. Uh, so once again, I'm removing it. Okay, here I'll do one, and here, uh, this is I'm converting into date format or uh, percentage. I'll do percentage it here, and I'm converting this as a just see why doing this many times,
Mm-hmm.
because it will be habituate to you and you will remember where you can able to change easily. Sometimes you may be observe whenever you are entering some date, it will come in its default state. You'll irritate with that.
Mm-hmm.
You need to come to here and you need to change in which format you want to see. Okay, format cell, and I want to already it is in a fractional state. Okay, you're able to see.
Yes.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now a fractional state means okay, that is a fractional state, and I'm
Mm-hmm.
converting. See, I'm seeing, I'm observing in which state particularly it is. It is in a general. Now I am taking into time,
Time.
time, and I am taking uh, hours, minutes, seconds, and part of the day.
Yes.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
these are the three different ones, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Three different ones. Now
Yes.
just see what's happening. I'm applying the
Format.
another one.
Okay.
Okay, I dragged up to here and fill without formatting.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I see.
Okay. Good.
So, okay, what is the difference between with format and without format?
Mm,
What's the difference between with format and without format?
When we apply without format, it uh, uh, mm,
Without format means it doesn't change the
change the
nature
format.
of that particular cell.
Yeah.
Nature of that particular cell. What
But
type of data it need to be extract and all those things.
mm,
mhm.
Format cell means it will completely change all the cells
but
to the initial one
yes.
from where we are applying this particular formatting.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, clear?
Yes.
Fill without format. Sorry, fill with format. format, and
Without format.
yes, format. I'm not looking comfortably, right? So now here a lot of adjustments I need to do. So you can directly select this entire sheet
Mhm.
and go to somewhere and just double click on one specific column like this. All the sheet will be adjusted to the along with the text.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And any heights differences are there in this particular cell. Just you can already selected, right? You just
Yeah.
go to the one column and double click it here. All the heights and all the things will be adjusted it here.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Right. Now, okay. So now here what I'm expecting you need to do. So I'm filling the colors. Right. And this is with the red color font, and this is with the blue color. This is with the yellow. Oh no, yellow is not visible. Okay, right.
Mm.
Now another one. Another one we have. And flash fill.
Yes.
What's happening in the flash fill? What is happening in the flash fill?
Mm, s- Adding flash. So it like it's filling the data like in a pattern or something.
Just I'll show you what it will happen. Now first I'll try to fill it in a series. Okay. Now
Mm.
I'm taking uh, I'm taking these three and I'm using this as a flash fill. Then what is the note you are able to see?
Yeah.
We looked at all data to a selection and did not see a pattern for filling its values. So
We looked at all the data next to your
Mhm.
selection and didn't see a pattern for filling its values. To use flash fill, enter a couple of examples of the output you would like to see. Keep the active cell in the column you want it fill in and click the flash fill button again. What it is saying? It's not observed any pattern of the data,
Mhm.
Right.
right? You
Yes.
got it?
Yeah.
So we'll see. Select, I'll try to tell you. So now I'm creating one pattern. 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay. So now I'll see. It doesn't identify it.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Okay. Now see. Once again, I'm creating another file. So I want you to understand what is a pattern, what is a not pattern. You understand, right? Previously, what is the pattern I filled? 1, 3,
1,
5,
3,
7,
5.
9. I tried. Okay.
Mm.
Now, what's happening? When we will call it as a pattern,
Mm. Do a couple of examples.
1,
Mm.
2,
Okay.
3, 4.
Oh. /4.
Okay, you'll have some curiosity, right? Why? What is a pattern, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, do one thing. So meanwhile, try to complete these things
Okay.
for me. You need to be very careful when you're dragging.
Okay.
Okay, first identify this particular point.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 5 minutes will be sufficient to
Uh,
practice these things,
yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
Okay, copy cell, fill series, fill with format, fill without format.
So, so,
Hello?
so I wanted to ask where we can, change the formats, like the different formats we could see where we need
Okay,
to.
just see. You need to select the cell and
Yeah.
right click.
Right.
Format cells is there, right? You need
Okay.
to click it here
Okay.
and you can able to observe all these things: alignment, font, border, fill, protection. All the options will be there at here itself. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
what do you need to do? You need to right click
And then cells. Yeah.
cell and select format cells.
Yeah.
Format cells, then you're able to find.
Yes.
Mm.
So yours is completed?
Yeah.
Yes.
We're stuck, trying.
Where you're sucking when you're dragging?
No, the thing, yeah, when we drag, it's a thing.
Yes, to look and to remember it's easy, but to doing while doing it is
And
very
also we will have
tricky.
this in recording, right? So again, we'll have to go back and do it because
So no, I mean to say like that's a wasting of time and killing the time by going through the records, recording and all those things. So
Mm-hmm.
that is the reason I'm giving an opportunity to practice it here to clarify your doubts.
Yes.
It will give you a confidence and our time also will be saved, and you will also with good clarity.
Mm-hmm.
So okay, to refer that video, you need to spend 2 or 3 more hours, except this 1 hour.
yeah, right, yeah. Did this.
Sir, can you show that without formatting operation one more time? Like,
Without format.
yeah.
Just you need to take one number, and after that, in different cells, try to convert those cells into different format. Okay, enter all those things, but drag from top to down
Hmm.
and select the without format option.
Yes. But in the cells, what will they write? Like, what it will be written? Like the first format of the first cell, or like what?
Yes, that it will only that only will come. Just see here, here itself. Uh, this is the thing which has happened, right? Now see, see one, okay,
Yeah.
and try to change this particular format and format cells and number, number, and this is a currency. I'm
Currency.
changing it here. Okay, I'm entering some currency. Okay, now
Okay.
I'm dragging this up to here,
Mm-hmm.
but here I'm selecting fill
Without.
without formatting.
Yeah. Okay.
Just we are going to fill that value, but the format is the same thing. If you enter a number one, it converted as a $1. If you entered as a one, it will convert it as a date, one date. It will
Yeah.
convert it as, if you entered two, it will convert as a $2.
Okay. Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, right.
So is it possible to check the format of the cell of any cell? Like,
Yes,
it,
right. Whatever the cell you can select, you can check the format. Defaultly, it will be highlighted at here. For example, this is the currency, right?
okay.
Just you click on this particular cell and go to the right click, format cells. Defaultly, it is selected in
Default is
currency and especially in this particular format.
Okay. Got it.
okay.
Yes.
Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now I'll show you. Just see, I'm adding these two columns. ASD 1 space
Mm.
Hyderabad 1 and the same thing I want to fill it here, right?
Mm-hmm.
2,
Hyderabad. 2.
2. Okay. So I'm not able to do all these things along with like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm doing this thing and flash fill.
Flash fill. Okay.
Oh, okay.
This is a different from this all four operations.
Yes.
Mhm.
Okay, why? Because if it is together with that, we'll feel like that is also such kind of operation, but it's not.
Mhm.
Mm.
Okay, it will identify the pattern and it will provide the output. Not
Right.
only this, you can try with any combination, but previously before that you need to give at least 2 or 3 outputs. You need to
Okay.
do manually. Then
Okay.
you can try for it.
Right.
Okay,
Yes.
right. Now, so you know the wrap option, right? Wrap the text.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now I'm showing if you want to merge any cells and if you want to that particular cell, I'm merging this particular uncentered. Okay, see, if I'm merging 2 cells and I'm taking only one data that is also in the first cell data,
Mhm.
Mhm.
and it will be aligned at a center location. See this
Center.
one.
Okay.
So I'm
Yeah. So
selecting
two cells
these two
together,
cells
and then
and
it aligned.
merge center. Okay.
Okay.
If there is no data, I'm taking these two and I'm merging.
Right.
If you don't want to merge, if you want to separate it, you can select it. Once again, you need to select merge in center.
Mhm.
Merge center. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm selecting these two and merge in center. I'm clicking.
Mm-hmm.
What happened? The data is empty. It's
M.
not able to recover the lost data.
Okay.
Okay.
Why? Because previously, when we are merging, it taken only first cell data, right?
Data.
Right.
Yes. Right.
So it's not able to recover it.
Yeah. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Now, this is called as an entire sheet. If you want to create this type of sheets like this, we can create. You can rename it also. You can color it also.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm. Like you can add on, go on adding sheets, right? One, two,
Yes,
three,
right.
four,
Yes,
13, 14.
right.
Yeah.
Yes, right.
Is there any limit on it?
So I didn't check up to enough. That many sheets we can add. So, I didn't get any requirement to. I need to check. I need to go and check back the limit of the sheets in the workbook. Uh,
Yeah.
at any chance, if you anyone check, please let me know.
So in your practice and field of work, you did not do so. We don't have to check. So we know it's gonna be unlimited, you know.
Yes, right. That's absolutely right. Okay. Now, this entire thing is considered as a Excel workbook.
Yeah.
And in that workbook, these all are sheets.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, these are sheets. You
Right.
can rename and you can recolor.
Mhm.
See this one, tab colors. You can arrange the tab colors.
Like in the past I have done like made sheets for my business, right? But that was for like make cal profit actually.
Uh-huh.
So, I haven't done this kind, so this is something new I learned.
Okay. It's a very basic. I meant to say like it's a very basic.
Right.
Why? Because I'm not going to trouble your brains. So no,
Right.
I'll give some ample amount of time to be in
Mhm.
a to get into form.
Yeah, maybe like 3-4 times more when I'm gonna make, I will be very clear and do it quickly. You know,
Yes, right.
Need practice. Yeah.
Yes, right. That's it. That's it for this. And I'll tell you some simple calculations for today. And after that, uh, I'm going to provide you one assessment uh, after completion of the 2 classes.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, these are very little, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
And you need to be comfortable. And the most thing is complicated thing is dragging
Mhm.
Yeah.
and selecting. If we are not able to select it properly, all the data will be
Yeah.
dumped, literally.
Yeah.
Okay, just see. One, okay, fill the series.
Mhm.
So, okay, if you select this particular all the numbers in the right side, this is the information session.
Hmm.
You can able to see what is the average of all those numbers and count how many number of cells are filled with the numbers, what is the minimum value, and it's a sum.
Mm. Yeah.
Mhm.
Defaultly, it is available.
Mm.
Okay, when in my initial days of college, I'll feel like that. My lecturer will select all these things and he will directly say the number. I feel like that his brain is faster than the computer, but we're not able to identify these values.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, he's saying average 22 are there. I'm going to say like how I'll do. So okay, if I want to say the number of records, I'll take from 1 to 25 and I need to remove the 3. Then I got to know 22. It's okay, fine. He said 22, that is fine. How he is saying average is also 11.5? No,
Mhm.
he's a very genius.
Right.
How he is saying 253 by just selecting? In the
Mm.
time of selecting, he
Mhm.
calculated each and everything.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Mm.
So like that.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So no, defaultly you're able to observe some sort of options at here. What is the sum? 253. Okay.
Mm.
Mm.
What is the minimum value? You're able to select it here. Maximum value. What is the maximum value? What is the minimum value you can select?
Mhm.
Okay. By using this, you can able to implement all these options.
Yes.
Up to only try only these 5 options.
Mm.
Mhm.
Apart from the more options and different tables creation and different filters and simple regular operations we will discuss in next class.
Okay.
Okay, please be practice at least a 15 minutes time is sufficient to practice the concepts which we discussed today.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay,
Okay,
sir.
but try to do 1 or 2 times.
Yes.
Yeah. I will do
Okay,
like multiple sheets. As you said that there is so many sheets available. So at least 3, 4 we can do.
Yeah.
sure, definitely.
Yeah.
But you're gonna send the recording too, right? Because
So no, it will automatically get right. It will
okay.
automatically
Yeah.
come to your email IDs. If it's not come, then I'll please mention in the group. I'll reach the admin.
I think they're going to upload it on YouTube.
Sorry.
I think they're going to upload it on YouTube. So,
Okay, sure.
yeah.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you. So, okay, sir. I had
Yes,
hello.
tell me. Yes,
Yeah.
tell me.
One question. Do you not have like a content? What are we gonna study in detail and all that? Is that the one
Yes,
Nika
yes,
sent?
yes. I meant to say like yes, that is the things which we are going to cover it here. But
Okay.
along with that, I'll provide the resources. There's a lot.
Yeah.
There are a lot of resources in the internet,
Okay.
right? I'll
Yeah. Yeah.
provide some good resources whenever I feel like that is required. You need to study.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So actually, this is initial stage, like just two
Yes,
classes.
right. So that is the reason.
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Thank you so
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.